Today I'm gonna teach you here where you have to avoid that, how to find the trend in the stock market if you are engaging in trading. So first you have to find the trend. So the price trend I'm going to draw from here. So let's hold it here down. So what you have to focus here, first the trend. Let's draw the trend a little up here, and I will tell you where to focus. Second, I'm going to just draw things up and I will tell you how it works. So I'm not focusing much on this small trend here. So I will just show you how it does work and what it exactly is. So how you find and how you enter your momentum is really important. Here there is small bouncing up, but I'm not looking into this. So now let me explain you how it does work. Where to focus. So I'm not going thoroughly back, but we will just see from where I drew up this. So where you have to focus, which candlestick you have to focus before it forms into coming down, and we have to look into. So firstly you have to focus here, here. This is where you have to focus here, this hanging hammer. So when this candlestick half and greater than that half candlestick, you see this double size of this bearish candlestick, another bearish candlestick, the bigger one. When you saw this, it does not exactly confirm, but there is a 88% that 80% that the price going to reverse, going down. All right. Again, I will explain here. If this is, suppose if this is a green candle and this is also green candle and double size of green candle here it forms, and definitely you should know that the price trend will go up for some time, right? And you can see straight away after forming this, if you have entered here, it goes down straight away till here. It goes down straight away, you can see here, fully down. If I draw here, you will be able to see after here forming, you can see when this it doesn't stop. Okay, if you enter here, that is another story, but you would have lost much of your money. That's why in this place I did not touch much of this. So again here, this hanging candlesticks, the green candlestick, which is called bullish candlesticks, and after forming this little, they give the buyer give the pressure, and then it formed this double size of this uh, bullish candlestick, and it goes up straight away, you can see here. And again here you can see, which I say that reversals, you understood, I guess. This part again you have to look into. Where you have to look into? This part. This part again you have to look at. It formed this, and you can see bearish candlesticks. You can enter, you could make a good money here, but it reversals. This is where you have to put your money. So after which we will still see here. Look at here. So from there, if you enter, you could have good money, but you miss the chance in case. Then again here you can see this is called triple, uh, where you see this little bullish candlestick, and with long, the pulse size of that is the bearish candlestick. You can see half of that is the bearish candlestick. So this also proves that it is going down. The price trend, it doesn't stop. So let's say this price trend come till here. Alright, I will stop here. Yeah, still you miss that, you could have made some money. Okay, and where it reverse here, you look at here. This is another that you have to learn sometime, is this. If you look into this, you can see that double size of this bullish candlestick, another double size of that bullish candlestick, and taken up by a long bullish candlesticks. So it confirms, it doesn't go much, but it confirms that little uptrend is there. But this is where, if you are a trader, this is where little you have to be careful. This part you have to be little careful, because afterwards it followed by again reversals. But you can enter for, if uh, if you are a good trader, you could still could make. But if professional trader, then they would have not entered here, because they knew that they are going to miss. So after it forms short, and again you will see here, which I always said, this is the place where you have to focus. Look at this, double of this is the bearish candlestick. So definitely this confirm, downtrend of price. So you can see here the all path, it goes right from here, and if you measure from here, look at this, you could have make a very good money here. Still if you miss that, so now it goes down, still the price is in a downtrend, but you have to wait a little bit, because here it became smaller and smaller. That is high chance of reversal. So now it is not a good time to enter. So here you have to wait for the reversal. If the price haven't do a reversals, and it shows the green candlestick, so if it goes up in case, then you have to knew it that this price may go like this, right? But if you are waiting for that, and if it formed the long bearish candlestick again, double size of this, then the price will definitely go down if it doesn't break here. If it doesn't break this place, so definitely you would make a good money. If it doesn't break in this place, then the price will go down. If it break in this place, the price will go up, but you wait here. Alright, because it is showing some signals that it will get a reversals. So thank you so much for watching my video, and if it's really help you my video, then if you want to see more, you give thumbs up. If it doesn't help you, doesn't matter, no problem. So thanks for watching my video, and you could always see some of the candlesticks that I will always give you, how to read and how to confirm, how to trade like a professional. Thank you so much. Good night.